In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a PDF doc on Canva. First, head to Canva's homepage. In the top right corner, click Upload. Choose Upload Files, then locate and select the PDF you want to sign from your device. Canva will process it and save it to your project so you can edit it like any other design. Next, prepare your signature. Grab a clean white sheet of paper and use a dark pen or marker to sign your name clearly. Take a well-lit, straight-on photo so the lines are crisp and shadows are minimal. If you can, crop the image on your phone to remove extra paper around the signature. Then upload that photo to Canva the same way you uploaded the PDF, or drag it into the Uploads panel when your design is open. Once your PDF appears in Projects, click it to open it in the Canva editor. On the left side, go to Uploads and find the signature image you just added. Drag it directly onto the page of your PDF where the signature belongs. To resize, click the image and drag the corner handle so it scales proportionally. You can rotate slightly if your signature photo isn't perfectly level. Zoom in for precision and place it exactly on the signature line or designated area so it looks natural and aligned. If your signature image shows a paper background, you can remove it. Select the signature, then use the background remover tool if you have Canva Pro. Give it a moment to process, and use the refine brushes if needed to clean edges. If you're on the free plan, use an external tool like remove.bg to create a transparent PNG, then upload that new version to Canva and replace the earlier image. High contrast between the ink and paper helps produce a clean, transparent cutout. To finish the signing details, add your printed name and the date. Click Text in the left panel, add a simple body text box, and type your name and today's date. Choose a clean, readable font, reduce the size to match the form style, and align the text under or beside your signature as the document requires. Keep spacing tidy so it looks professional and consistent. When everything looks right, click Share in the top right. Select Download. Choose PDF Print for the highest quality or PDF Standard for a smaller file that's easier to email. Then click the Download button and save the signed PDF to your device. That's it, your PDF is signed and ready to send or upload. Thanks for watching.